Michigan drivers are bracing themselves as auto insurance rates are set to increase this year.
Experts say the rising rates are a result of inflation as businesses try to compensate for higher costs.
7 Action News reporter Faraz Javid going in depth with a closer look at what's driving these premium increases and what you can do as a consumer.
Fellow Detroiters Mark Morgan and Capri Morel are not related to each other, but they've got one thing in common.
How much are you paying for car insurance right now, if you don't mind me asking?
Right now I'm paying about $200 a month.
You pay $250 per month on car insurance.
Most definitely, every month.
And there are more folks like them feeling the heat.
In other states, I've heard that they are as low as $35 a month. I feel like that's something that's very affordable for something that you're requiring people to have.
Despite reforms, Michigan drivers are still paying among the highest rates in the nation. The Zebra's State of Auto Insurance 2022 study shows Louisiana and Michigan are the only states with an average premium of over $2,500. What's more, in the top 10 expensive cities for auto insurance, Detroit took the lead, followed by River Rouge and Dearborn, ranked 9th and 10th respectively. Rod Griffin from Experience says this is all thanks to inflation and supply chain shortage.
Cars are costing more, and as a result, insurance rates are reflecting that as well. Car parts cost more to buy, to replace, and to repair. That drives insurance rates up as well.
Insurance expert Ken Cantor says this year drivers can expect to fork out 6 to 15% more on premiums.
They use a lot of different online sources when they're rating analytics to evaluate the risk. And one of those things is crime score, prior losses, things of that nature.
Compared to other states, credit scores and marital status don't directly affect rates in Michigan, but your driving record, payment history, and age play a role.
Older drivers, older insureds, are rated higher.
Ken says Michigan's policy change back in 2020 was also misleading. The public was told unlimited personal injury protection was behind expensive premiums. However, in reality, it didn't impact the rates a lot, but left folks in a dicey situation.
They are lowering certain limits for medical care under personal PIP, personal injury protection, and at the same time, when those limits run out here, they have to go to their health carrier.
To make matters worse, lots of people are defaulting on their auto insurance payments because they just can't afford it.
Do they drive without coverage or they just stop driving?
They drive without coverage.
Driving without insurance is not only against the law, but it's extremely dangerous. If you get into an accident, let alone fatal, it will result in a heavy financial burden. So what are your options besides shopping around?
Drive safely, don't have accidents, and don't get tickets. It's that simple.
Now, Ken also recommends to go with an insurance broker because if something goes south, there will be someone that's got your back. Reporting from Southfield, I'm Faraz Javid, 7 Action News.